Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. During the Asian session, the US dollar was trading in a bullish trend, while the Australian dollar came under pressure amid the inflation report for the first quarter. The Australian inflation sped up by 0.3% in the first quarter from the fourth quarter last year. At the same time, the annual consumer price index did not meet expectations. It came in at 1.3%, which was the lowest reading since the third quarter of 2016. Amid that, analysts revised the outlook for the RBA monetary policy. The bank is expected to cut the interest rate in May this year. Naturally, this news disappointed investors. The AUD USD pair declined to the 6-week low at 0.7027. At the same time, the USD JPY pair little changed, having approached the level of 111.80 as trades in Tokyo opened today. Previously, the yen lost its safe haven appeal and weakened against the US dollar. The yield of 10-year Treasury bonds, the key gauge of the global risk sentiment, declined by 2 points to 2.57% on Tuesday, but on Wednesday the yield remained unchanged. The economic calendar is benefit of any significant events, so political factors such as US-China trade talks, Brexit, as well as geopolitical games in North Korea, Syria and Libya shape the market sentiment today. The US dollar index still maintains a bullish momentum from the start of this week. It is hovering near the upper boundary of the range at 97.70. On Tuesday, the index hit a new yearly high in the area slightly below 97.80. Such a level was last seen in June 2017. The Wall Street earnings reports and encouraging news about US-China trade talks contributed to the rise of the US dollar index. The White House administration announced plans to send diplomats to Beijing in order to resume the negotiation and reach a trade agreement finally. The European session is going to be eventful. Germany will unveil the I4 report. If it fails to meet analysts' expectations, then the euro will come under pressure. Besides, Switzerland will publish the results of the ZEV survey for April, while the European Central Bank will present the economic bulletin. At the same time, the United Kingdom will release the net public borrowing data. Later in the day, market participants will observe the results of the Bank of Canada monetary policy meeting and the post-meeting press conference. It is widely expected that the bank will leave the interest rate unchanged. Traders will be more interested in the bank's economic outlook and its further monetary policy stance. Besides, the U.S. Energy Information Administration will deliver the inventories report today. We keep close tabs on the market developments non-stop. Subscribe to our channel and keep in touch with us.